I'd like to give you a quick introduction into spying on your competition. Now, this is a fantastic way to find and qualify campaigns that are currently making a lot of money. Now, if you're stuck for a niche, an audience, or you've been failing a little bit and you don't know what kind of designs are working, this is a fantastic way to go in and see what is currently working. All right. Okay, we're going to be using a couple of tools. Some are paid and some are free. I'm going to be showing you a few tips and tricks and a couple of search strings that you can use in Google to help qualify those winning campaigns. And I will go into best practices. Now, you're going to probably get bored of me saying this, but it is essential that you don't copy people, okay? This is going to be very, very tempting for a lot of you. I know you're going to see a lot of people making a lot of money when you start qualifying really good winning campaigns. It is tempting to just go and make a copy of their design and pretty much do exactly what they're doing. I would just like to say from the get-go that that's a big no-no. All right, not only does Teespring favor the person who originally came up with this campaign and this design, there's a group of us who will go and specifically target copycats. You may say that we've got too much time on our hands. A lot of us outsource our work now. But if we find anybody copying our design or any of my clients' designs, we go after these people. Not only do we take a lot of their sales by promoting our gigs in their advertisements and working together to drive those sort of comments to the top and just causing the page owner a lot of grief. But we wait until the campaign is almost finished, and then we make a copyright complaint to Teespring and they pull it down. That will cost a copycat a lot of money, especially if they're starting to ramp up their sales and spending a lot of advertising. We try and hurt them as much as we can so they don't go and do it again. Okay, so that's just another reason why you shouldn't copy people. It's going to upset a lot of people, and there's no reason why you can't go out there and make a design yourself and change it up enough. So that's not a direct copy, okay? Being a member of Teespring Domination, if you're in the Facebook group and you find that this happens to you, just speak out and just let us know. Send me a message and send one of the other admins a message, and you'll find that we will band together and we'll help you out. Like I said, it'll drive a lot more sales to your gig, and once we feel as though they've spent enough money on their copy gig, we'll get it pulled down. And I know it sounds a little bit harsh, but it's the only way to really do anything about it. We aren't in control, we aren't Teespring, so you have to fight fire with fire, really. So don't be one of those copycats. I will go into other reasons why as well later. I mean, you want to be able to JV with pages, big page admins, and split your profits. Some of these people have got 3, 4, 500,000 people on their page, and they will accept a payment from you to put an ad up there, to make a post, and they'll keep it up the top. They'll keep it engaged. And okay, it might cost you, say $300 to have a post up there for 48 hours, but that $300 would easily turn into $1,000 on a huge page. So it's a worthwhile investment. But if you're copying, like I said, you're not going to last very long in that kind of gig. In any form of promotion, you're going to get a name for yourself, and your next fake account that you make on Facebook, people are going to know it, and you're just going to fall behind the rest of them. Okay, so it's very important not to copy. All right, so that's a few best practices. Again, I don't want to bore you too much with an introduction video, so let's jump straight into TView and Teespring and see what we can find in there.